Welcome back. Thanks for staying with us. Jamaicans are being encouraged to take the flu vaccine in order to help prevent getting the H1N1 virus, more commonly known as the swine flu. Shamala Pullen tells us more in the health report.
The H1N1 flu, sometimes called swine flu, is a type of influenza A virus.
People get H1N1 infection when there's a crossover with the virus from pigs or sometimes from birds. So close contact to animals who are infected can result in a human becoming infected. And once that does happen, then there's a possibility of the infection being transmitted from person to person.
The World Health Organization, WHO, declared the H1N1 to be a pandemic in 2009. Jamaica was among the countries affected. In August 2010, WHO declared the pandemic over. Family physician and public health specialist Dr. Orville Nemart says the virus is now endemic to Jamaica.
Once you've been exposed to the virus, the body does form some amount of immunity to it. So it means going forward there is some resistance to that particular strain. And across the board, if a number of persons in the population have been exposed, then we're talking about herd immunity. Bearing in mind the virus will mutate regularly, so you'll find new strains coming on board. But across the board, there is some background immunity in the population.
The symptoms of a flu caused by the H1N1 virus are similar to those of other flu viruses. The symptoms include fever, headache, sore throat, and diarrhea. The virus can also cause death.
Commonly, it will do so as a complication for persons who have underlying conditions. Most persons will recover from the flu as a routine. But persons with underlying conditions, such as those with immune suppression, so persons who have cancer, persons who have autoimmune diseases, persons who have chronic illnesses, chest diseases such as asthma, emphysema, persons with diabetes. These are the persons who are at increased risk, persons who are obese, BMI over 40, and persons at the extremes of life, persons under age 2 and those over age 65.
And with several respiratory viruses floating around, persons are encouraged to get the flu vaccine, along with other preventative measures.
So you want to cover your cough, discard of tissue when you sneeze. You want to maintain hand hygiene. You want to maintain distance from persons who are infected. And of course, you want to get your flu vaccine annually, which does cover a number of strains, including the swine flu.
With your health report, I'm Shamala Pullen, wishing you good health.